Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, we learned how to create local temporary table. In this video, we learned the global temporary table. So what is global temporary table? Global temporary tables are visible to all connections and dropped when the last connection referencing the table is closed. We'll see what is the meaning of this in a bit in SQL Server. So to create a global temporary table, add double hash symbol before the table name. Here is the syntax: create table and then double hash before the table name, and then in the bracket we need to specify the column name and their data type. So let's quickly see in SQL Server how we can do this. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. Just write the create table and then hash, let's say TBL user, and then the bracket we need to specify the column name. Let's say first column is user ID and then int, let's say user name and their data type. Let's give some tab and then varchar, let's say it is 50, and then we have email and it is also varchar. Let's give size is 50. Let's change here, it should be double hash as per the tutorial. So just execute it and then we can see that this table is available in the database. Let's select start from this table and we can see that it is created. Now we are going to insert the data into the table. Let's do this values. Here we have, let's say it is user ID integer, so integer, and then let's say name is Mohan, and then the email address is mohan@gmail.com. Similarly, just copy paste this 2 times and thus change the user ID and then put here name, let's say Ram, and here we have Ram and then Alex, and it should be alex@gmail.com. Just select the 3 query and execute. All it's affected, just select start from table name and then see the data is inserted. Let's see what are the mean of the visible all connections till a reference, last connection reference in the table is closed. So the data will be visible. Let's open new query and then we are starting here a new section of the SQL Server. Let's execute it. We can see that the data is present, and let's open one more connection and then try to execute this query. We can see that the data is present until the last connection is available. Let's close it, close everything, this one as well, and then let's try creating a new query and then put this query, copy paste, I have that, and then paste it here and then execute it. We can see that this is invalid because the last connection was closed and then I started a new query. So this is one of the interview question as well. So what is the difference between local temporary table or global temporary table? So you can watch my previous video to learn about local temporary table. So here is only the difference is, so the difference is it will start with single hash and the global temporary table is starting with double hash, and this is available throughout the session, but this will work only in a single session. I will give another video on it, so you will be more clear on it, what is the difference between global temporary table and local temporary table. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.